Hey everyone, it's Carmi. In this new video, we're going to learn how to install a model. It's 100% free and you can do a ton of things with it, like what I did for this quick showcase. I asked the AI to code a Mario game in HTML/CSS for me. You'll see the result and how I went about installing this model. You'll also notice it won't drain your machine's performance. It's perfect for those who want free, high-performing models, and what I'm showing you today is completely safe. So for anyone who wants to learn, and especially for all the newcomers to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It really means a lot to me. Let's get started. We're going to open our browser and type in OpenCode. Hit search. The first site that pops up is the right one. Let's click on it. We need the official OpenCode page. This is the LLM model we'll be using to integrate into our terminal, so we can harness all its performance and available AI models. I'm going to use NPM because it's the fastest method, and I highly recommend it. But before you can install it, you first need to install the essentials, specifically the core build, Node.js, which manages NPM for your model. I've actually already installed it on my end. I'll make a tutorial in an upcoming video on how to cleanly install NPM with all its features. Otherwise, just follow the steps on the site to get it installed. I'll open the terminal, paste the command I copied from the site, and hit enter. If it throws errors, that's normal. It might ask you to enable certain features. Just copy, paste, and confirm. It's completely normal, especially if you're not in an eligible country. You might get this kind of message. My recommendation, open your VPN, turn it on, and run the installation command again. Now, I just need to CD into my template folder to start coding. As you can see, I'm on OpenCode. And I'm going to grab an AI API key. We log in and create a new API key. I'll copy it. Before pasting it into the terminal, we add a slash to input our API key. We go to API keys in OpenCode, which is recommended, paste our API key and hit enter. It's super fast. From there, you get a list of various AIs available on the platform. You can check which model it is. I'm going to ask it something simple. Code a Mario game for me using HTML, CSS markup, and JavaScript. For those who want to use the other AIs available on the platform, you just need to grab a subscription on OpenCode. The platform will generate a premium or pro API key for you to integrate. Then you'll have those other AIs unlocked. Alternatively, you can just copy-paste the API keys you already have from your other accounts and add them to the list. Here, the AI is generating all the code and showing me the steps to follow, how to launch it, and how to play. I'm going to go test it out in the folder where I saved my project. The work is fully installed and completely functional. Let's hit the spacebar, and there we go, the game is running. This is the little demo I showed you at the beginning of the video. The character moves, I can jump, defeat enemies, and that's it. If you've made it this far, honestly, a huge round of applause to you. I congratulate you because you've done what most people fail to do, and that is awesome, totally awesome. don't think we're going to stop here for this video. We're going to move on to initializing Claude Code in our terminal. We're going to install it so we can integrate the API key. I can't guarantee 100% that it'll work on the first try for you. If it does, that's top tier. On my end, it's already a bit tricky, but I'm still going to show you how to download Claude Code to your terminal and use it to its full potential. We will, of course, use OpenCode as the LLM to connect Claude and access online AI resources. Total success. Now I just press Ctrl+H to open my Linux text editor. From there, you'll select your .json file. Most people underestimate this editor, but it lets you code in multiple languages, and you'll see it works like a charm. The Linux Notepad is incredibly powerful. It even has built-in syntax highlighting that Windows lacks by default. Just save your changes and delete the old Claude folder. By the way, I'll drop this file in the comments so you can just copy-paste it. Regarding API keys, you can of course change them, and you can switch the AI too. I'm going to run a prompt to see which model it's currently using. I'll go into the console, paste the command, and launch Claude Code. You'll see it launches without a hitch. And there you go. It is indeed Claude Code. Here, it asks you to select a syntax highlighting theme. I always pick the sober theme. I'm not a big fan of too many colors. Pick whatever suits you best for your coding workflow and hit enter. All that's left to do is set the effort level to max and run the first command. Let's see the result. If it works for you, that's fantastic. On my side, as you can see, I'm getting an API error, so it didn't go through. But for everyone who made it to this step and got a full response from the AI, congratulations. As for me, I'm going to wrap it up here. Catch you later, take care, and see you in the next video.